Hey there, welcome back. If it turns out to be a timing chain issue, you're looking at a pretty penny. For a 2010 Chevy Traverse with the 3.6-liter engine, labor alone could run you about $2,500 to $4,000. The engine typically has to be dropped out through the bottom to access everything properly. So we're talking 13 to 14 hours of labor time. When you add in parts, fluids, and gaskets, the total could range from $3,300 to $5,500. That's why checking warranty coverage first is so crucial. Now, if you do need a timing chain replacement, you'll be dealing with a complete kit, which includes chains, guides, automatic tensioners, and cam sprockets. Over time, these chains stretch and worn guides can't maintain the necessary tension. That's when you start hearing those rattling noises, and eventually, the PCM throws that code. And hey, if you're thinking about tackling this yourself, be warned, this is an advanced repair. You'll need specialty tools and a good amount of know-how. Most importantly, you can't just replace one part. You need to swap out the complete kit. So to wrap things up, check your oil, verify your warranty coverage, and if you're facing a timing chain issue, understand that it's not a cheap fix. If you can get it covered under that special adjustment, you could save thousands. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've got questions or need help with your Chevy Traverse, don't hesitate to reach out. And remember, keep those engines running smoothly. I'll catch you in the next one.